students, Assalamu alaikum. I am starting our class. Today's class is creative question regarding or related quadrilateral. The question is ABCD is a parallelogram. The diagram AB and BD bisect O at O. Question A, find out the value of angle ABC if angle BAD equal to 70 degree. B, if AC equal to BD, if AC equal to BD, prove that ABCD is a rectangle. C, if AB equal to AD, prove that AC and BD bisect at the point O at right angle. Solution: given that BAD equal to 70 degree, we know that sum of two adjacent angle of a parallelogram is 180 degree. So we can write down BAD plus angle BAD plus angle ABD equal to 180 degree. So we have BAD angle equal to 70 degree. So 70 degree plus angle ABC equal to 180 degree. After calculating, we get angle ABC equal to 110 degree. That is answer. B, it is to prove that if the diagonal of a parallelogram are equal, then it is a rectangle. Proposition: let ABCD be a parallelogram and AC and BD is two diagonal where AC equal to BD. It is to be proved that ABCD is a rectangle. Proof: the diagram is that we get from diagram in triangle ABC and triangle BCD, we get AB equal to CD and AC equal to BD, and BC is a common side, so triangle ABC congruent triangle BCD. So we can write angle ABC equal to angle BCD. In the parallelogram ABCD, AB parallel CD and BC is their intersect. Angle ABCD and angle BCD are two adjacent angle on the same side of BC. So this is figure. So we can write angle ABC equal to angle BCD equal to 180 degree and angle ABC plus angle ABC equal to 180 degree, because angle ABC angle BCD are equal. So we can write, instead of angle BCD, we can write angle ABC. So after adding two angle ABC equal to 180 degree, so after calculating we get angle ABC equal to 90 degree. We know if one angle of parallelogram is right angle, then it will be a rectangle. So ABCD is a rectangle, hence proof. Number C, proposition. In parallelogram ABC, if AB equal to AD, so it will be rhombus. Let the diagonal AC and BD of the rhombus ABCD intersect at O. It is required to prove that AC and BD bisect at the point O at right angle, or AOB equal to BOC equal to COD equal to DOA angle equal to one right angle, or two one right angle. Angle AO equal to CO and BO equal to DO. Proof: A rhombus is a parallelogram. Therefore, AO equal to CO and BO equal to DO, or all sides will be equal. Now, in triangle AOB and triangle BOC, AO equal to BC, AO equal to CO, and OB equal to OB, common side. So, triangle AOB congruent triangle BOC. Therefore, angle AOB equal to angle BOC. Angle AOB plus angle BOC equal to 1 straight angle or 2 right angle. So AOB equal to BOC equal to 1 right angle. Similarly, it can be proved that COD equal to DOA angle equal to 1 right angle. Hence proof. Sixth, 17 question. This two question we take from exercise. The diagonals AC and BD of the quadrilateral BACD are unequal, and sum of any two adjacent angle is 2 right angle. Number 1, define kite with the figure. Number B, prove that AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC. Number C, if the perpendicular BP and DQ are drawn from the point B and D on AC, prove that BPDQ is a parallelogram. Number A, solution. Kite. Any quadrilateral having two pair of consecutive sides of equal length is called a kite. Dear students, if AB and AC are equal and BD and CD are equal, then this quadrilateral will be kite in the figure AB equal to AC and BD equal to CD. Number B, proposition ABCD is a quadrilateral and AC is not equal BD, and sum of two adjacent angle is 2 right angle. It is to be proved that AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC. Proof. In quadrilateral ABCD, angle ABC plus angle BAD equal to 180 degree, equation 1, and angle ABC plus angle BCD equal to 180 degree, equation 2. Subtract from 1 from equation 2, we get angle ABC plus angle BAD minus angle ABC minus angle BCD equal to 180 minus 180 equal to 0. At cutting angle ABC minus angle ABC, so we get angle BAD minus angle BCD equal to 0. So we get angle A equal to angle C. Similarly, we get angle B equal to D. Now, in quadrilateral ABCD, AC equal to C angle, A angle equal to C angle, and D angle equal to B angle equal to D angle. So ABCD is a parallelogram, and AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC. Hence proof. Number C, we get from B ABCD is a parallelogram. In the parallelogram, the perpendicular BP and DQ are drawn from the point B and D on AC. It is required to prove that BPDQ is a parallelogram. Proof. This is our figure. Proof triangle ABP and triangle CDQ, angle DAP equal to angle DCQ, angle ABP equal to angle CQD, and AD equal to CD. So angle AABP congruent angle CDQ, and angle ABP equal to angle CAQ. Similarly, in angle APD and angle BCQ, we get angle ADP P equal to angle CBQ. So angle ABC minus angle uh, angle ABD plus angle CBQ equal to angle ADC minus angle ADB plus angle CDQ. So we get, after calculating, we get angle PBQ equal to angle PDQ. So angle PBQ equal to angle QBQD. 3. In quadrilateral BPDQ, angle BPQ equal to angle PDQ and angle BPQ equal to BPD equal to angle BQD. So BPQ is a BPDQ. So angle BPDQ is a parallelogram. Dear students, I hope you will understand it. If you uh, feel any problem to understand anything, so you can contact with me by email or Facebook or personal number. Thank you everybody.